Hola, and welcome to your 30 days with Bridge the Gap Spanish. We are starting on January 8th, 2026 with your very first kickoff to this, but I wanted to take some time to first welcome you, tell you bienvenido, bienvenida, and also to just give you a few things that you're going to want to look out for in the next few weeks. So just a little bit of a kickoff for you. So the first thing that you're going to want to know is that we're going to have you take an assessment. In the first email that you received, you will have received that assessment link, but don't worry, we will remind you to take that assessment the first day of the 30 days starting on January 8th. And this is really just to help us know what track you're going to be on in this learning process over the next 30 days. It'll really give us, whether you're a beginner or an intermediate or advanced, where to start off. And so that's really important for you to take. It should take it's probably about a 10-minute assessment, not a test. It's just an assessment. So it should go pretty quick and it's all multiple choice, which we love multiple choice. The second thing that I want you to be aware of is that each day you will be receiving a mini lesson. So this is a shortened form of our regular length grammar lessons. And the reason that they are mini is to just make them more bite-sized for you to get the most out of the 30 days. So we don't want to overwhelm you with information. Instead, we want to give you just enough to make it to the next day and to give you a good solid step up to the next plateau in your Spanish learning journey. The next thing that you should be aware of is that each week we'll be hosting weekly group practice sessions. And this is a little bit different from what we offer in our program. And so it just kind of is going to give you a taste of what it's like to work with a few of the native speakers that we match our learners with. But these will be group practice sessions. And yes, although our current learners in our program have access to group practice sessions, really the biggest thing that makes the difference in learning Spanish with us are those one-on-one conversation classes with the native speaker that you're matched with. So that's the difference there. So I just want to make sure you're aware of what you're getting in the 30 days package, what you're getting in the 30-day free access versus what learners get with us on a month-to-month basis. The next thing that I'm going to mention is coaching. So, coaching is something that we offer to all of our learners in our program. But we are so excited because we are going to offer everyone that is in this 30-day free access, we're going to offer you a free coaching session, which is huge, to end off your 30 days with us. So in this coaching session, you will really receive the insight needed to strategize for your next step, next phase in your Spanish learning. So with this 30 days of free access, we're tacking this along on there because we don't want you to just do the 30 days and then end it. We want you to have a place to go, a next step. And that's what you'll get in that free coaching session to end off your time with us in this 30 days of free access. So be expecting an email towards the end of the 30 days where you can schedule your free language coaching session. Last but not least, I want to mention how big it and how important it is to be involved in community during this 30-day journey. So we are going to have a WhatsApp cohort group available for you to join just to give you a place to talk with other cohort participants. And of course, we ask that you keep in mind to be conscientious of what you're sharing in that and things like that. And we'll make sure to add a disclaimer and disclosure and things like that as the first message in there. But really use this WhatsApp group to stay motivated, to stay encouraged, and also to get feedback and tips from other participants in your 30-day cohort. And the fun thing is that some of our teachers will also be in those groups too, so you can interact with them and see what it would be like to work with them on a week-to-week basis as well from that standpoint. Okay, I think that that's all. To reach out to us if you have any questions. My The email is Keisha at btgspanish.com, Keshia at btgspanish.com. You can also out to us at Hola, HOLA, at btgspanish.com. And we're more than happy. We're super excited for you to get started with the 30 days of free access to check out what Bridge Gap Spanish is all about. Okay, so we will see you on January 8th. Adios.